Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Ozzy'sDesk, and today I'm going to show you one of the websites, one of the online stores that I have created using WordPress. The theme that I have used on this website is Astra WP. It's a very lightweight theme, and it's very much optimized performance-wise. And if you look at it, if you look at the website, this is basically the menu that I have created using a plugin. The plugin name is Mega Max Menu. Okay, the reason I've used it is because normally when we are going to create drop-down menus, there are usually only 3 to 4 items or sometimes 5 items, right? Just like there are in these categories. But in the brands category, I have 16 items, right? So if I were to create a flyout menu or a flyout drop-down menu, the 16 items are going to go all down the page, and we might even have to scroll the page in order to see all the brands. So that is why we usually make this grid layout or mega menu. And the plugin that I have used to make this is known as Mega Menu or Mega Max Menu or something like that. So I have used that plugin to create this menu in which there were, I guess, there were 16 items in this menu item in the brands category, and this is the office category, this is pet supplies, this is kitchen supplies and toys, and all the relevant categories. Okay, now this is the first block. There is some text, a picture, a call to action. This is going to redirect you to, for example, the brands page. And then there is another block where you can shop by department. There were 4 categories on the online store: the office supplies category, the pet supplies category, the kitchen supplies, and the toys. And in each category there are subcategories. For example, in office supplies there is a computer accessories category, there is a stapling and punches category, desktop supplies, and filing and storage. Okay, so here you can shop by department. There are 4 departments in this online store. Then there are featured products. So in featured products, what you need to do is when you are adding all the products, there is basically a star icon next to every product. If you click on that star, what happens is that product is going to be considered to be a featured product. So just if you are going to, when you are creating this block, just add some code, and what will happen is all the products that you have marked as featured are going to be displayed in this block. For example, I said that I have 8 featured products, and I want to display all of them on this part of the website, and all of them are going to be mentioned here, and you can directly add these products to cart. And for example, the products in which there are variants, for example, this electric stapler, it has, I guess, 3 colors, so you can select options. And the products in which there are no variants, you can directly add them to cart, and then you can check out by clicking here, checkout. Okay. Now then there is this another block on the website where there is this fixed image, and this is going to be redirected to the kitchen category. For example, buy kitchen products at 10% off. I realize that the text is sort of the contrast is very low here, but I guess this is because yeah, no, it's fine. So this is a fixed image block where the image is not going to be moving, but the text and the website is going to be scrolling upwards, but the image is going to stay right there. And then there is some, for example, another block where you can actually sort of share basically to your client base as to why exactly they should shop from you, because, well, quick and easy ordering, free shipping, unbeatable offers, and 30-day return policy. You can, for example, make all these icons clickable, and for example, this should redirect to your shipping page. This should basically redirect to why it is quick and easy, some text or some page about that. Here you can redirect it to a discount or coupon page or the different deals that you have, and this can basically redirect to the return policy page. And the bottom, this is the footer menu. This is the icon. I have made it a little differently than the one that is made at the top, because here the background is white and at the bottom the background is black, and that is why I have changed the logo slightly. A little about us description, quick links. This is going to redirect you to the About Us page. This is going to take you to the shop page. This is going to take you to the Contact Us page. And this is going to redirect you to the privacy policy. This is going to redirect you to the shipping policy page. And this is terms and condition. Okay, now let's explore each and every category, each and every menu item here. First, let's go to brands. Okay, so this is the brands page. Now all the brands that I have added in this flyout menu is going to be showing on this page. For example, there are 2 products in the bamboo groom category. There are 3 products in the doodle bone category, and similarly every brand is showing how many products there are on this website, how many products we have featured regarding this brand. Okay, so all these brands are showing on this brands page, and you can if you want to shop by brand, you can. Now there are a number of unbranded products as well that do not have a brand. Okay, so if you want to shop by brand, you can easily go to one of these brands, and it's going to redirect you to whatever products there are. Okay, now let's go to the office supplies here. Okay, so now in the office supplies category, there are, for example, 4 different categories. For example, there is 1 product in computer accessories, there is 1 product in desktop supplies, there are 6 products in filing and storage, and there are 5 products in stapling and punches. Okay. Now you can easily go into each of these categories, and it's going to display okay, so in the office and supplies category, there are 4 subcategories. For example, computer accessories, desktop supplies, filing and storage, and stapling and punches. There is 1 product in computer accessories, 1 product in desktop supplies, 6 products in filing and storage, and 5 products in stapling and punches. So you can click on any of these subcategories, and it's going to take you to the products that are included in these subcategories. Okay, now let's go to pet supplies. Okay, so in pet supplies, there are 3 subcategories: collars and leashes, grooming supplies, and pets and beds. Let's go to the kitchen subcategory. Here there are 3 subcategories. For example, there are 4 products and accessories, 5 products in cookwares, and 2 products in flatwares. In the toys categories, there are 3 subcategories: 4 products in baby, 5 products in learning, and 3 products in, for example, picture books. Now let's go to the About Us page. Okay, so in the About Us page, there is a small text about us. You can write as big a description as you want, right? And then there is another block where you, for example, should highlight what exactly your store is about and what are the essential features of the store, why they should be shopping from you. And this is the same that I showed you at the beginning, that quick and easy ordering, free shipping, and 30-day return policy, and unbeatable offers. And then another text, placeholder text, and you can sort of give a sort of a call to action button. This is going to take them back to the store, right? And there are some basically FAQs, frequently asked questions, that how to pay. If you have a very different method of payment, for example, you don't collect credit card information, for example, you want payment directly to PayPal or to bank transfer or wire transfer, electronic transfer, whatever you For example, you can sort of create FAQs or questions that people might have about your website. You can create those questions and give answers to those questions, and whenever they need any kind of information, they can sort of come to this FAQ section and see whether or not their answers, whether or not the questions that they have in mind are already addressed. Okay, so now let's go to the contact page. So this is the contact page. It's a very small page. You just sort of this is basically WP Forms plugin that is going to create this message, send message section, right? You need to add your email address, the subject, and the message, and send this message, and it's going to be received in whatever email that you have added. And this is some sort of information regarding the company or the online store, where it is located, or where the company is located, or what is the email address, and what is the phone number if you need to get in touch with the business through phone number and all. Okay, now let's show you let's show you the product page now. Now see, this is basically a combo brush and with bristles and stainless steel pins. This is basically how the product page is going to look like. This is going to show the categorization of the product, that this is the pad and supplies category. In the pad supplies category, the subcategory is grooming supplies, and then this is the product name. This is the price, this is the short description, and this is what the variants are. There were 2 variants, small, medium, and large. And the categories are going to be the categories would be showing here as well. You can directly click on any of these categories and subcategories. It's going to direct you. Now this product is categorized according to brand as well, according to main category, and according to subcategory as well. Then there is basically the long description, and this is basically what we say is the additional information regarding the variants, and this is going to be the review section. Currently there are no reviews for the product, but if there are reviews, they are going to be showing here. There are no reviews yet. Okay, so these are the related products that are part of the pet category, pet supplies category. So this is what the page is going to look like. But if we are going to choose, for example, a variant, this is what its image is going to change. But for example, it was a different color. If I chose the color, it would automatically show a different color. But at this point in time, since the only variant is the size, so 2 different images of the size was not possible, or the images were not available. That is why it's showing the same image. Otherwise, if it were different colors, they would be showing whenever I chose a different color. Anyways, now what we'll be doing is we are going to add this product to cart. So this is what is going to be this is what is going to be shown on the screen when you add any product to the cart. Combo brush with bristles and stainless steel pins has been added to your cart. Now let's see what the cart page looks like. This is how the cart page is going to look like. Okay, there is one product in the cart, price, quantity, subtotal. If you want to sort of provide some discount coupons and discount codes, the customer would just need to put that coupon code in this section, and automatically the discount would be applied. So these are the cart totals, and now we just need to sort of proceed to checkout. Now this is what the checkout page is going to look like. First name, last name, company name, country, street address, town, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, additional notes for example, the online store. If you need sort of gift wrapping, or if you want to package the product differently, or you need some kind of a card in that, for example, if you need some kind of a gift card that says a particular thing, you can add anything here. Okay. Now, for example, this online store does not have any sort of payment gateway, but it only has online payment. So this is the text that I have put on the online store. After you have placed your order, one of our representatives will get in touch with you on the email address provided by you and will guide you through the payment process. Your personal data will be used to process your order, support your experience throughout this website, and for other purposes described in our privacy policy. This is a clickable link. It's going to redirect you to the privacy policy page that is also shown in the footer menu. And you can simply click on place order and your order is going to be placed, and the order is going to be shown into the WooCommerce dashboard. And this is how this website has been made. If you need more information, if you want your website to be created by Ozzy'sDesk, you can get in touch with us by the email address or by the links or by the socials that are provided in the description below. And subscribe to the channel and wait for more videos, because we are planning to create more online stores, because this is a e-commerce store with all these products, but we want to create a website that is going to be a services website. For example, an online law firm, or for example a dentist or a consultant or a clinic. And we are also planning to create some educational websites where you can, for example, navigate through different courses and see video and sort of written content regarding those courses. And then we are also want to create websites that are sort of similar to Udemy, where you can actually host your online courses, that people can sign up and they can buy those courses and things like these. So if you want a website to be created that is similar to this one, get in touch with the contact information provided in the description, and follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and hope to see you again. Thank you very much.